Hello, this is Elizabeth Wood Education Blog 43. Before I get started, this video is not made for kids. This is a style and craft video on my education video, and I will be showing you these dolls in the next page. Hello there, everybody. How are you doing? Are you doing fine? Well, I am doing fine. Welcome to my channel. I have something interesting to share with you today. These are the sequin dolls. Uh, three of them are sequins and one is cloth. And I have a nun doll. I don't know what happened to it. I did have it. It looked like it disappeared on me. I don't know what happened to it. A nun doll. And it does it like a nun doll. And a nurse doll is missing too. I don't know. Today I am going to talk about the project that I think it's in the 1970s I did this, or in the 80s. I forgot, but it's classic in its own category. Now, I am going to show you each one of them, and I also have a Abraham Martha Lincoln. I think it's Martha Lincoln making a flag, American flag. I'm trying to figure out. I gotta put my glasses back on. Okay, made in Hong Kong. Well, it's not going to tell me much, but it came from California. The number was taken out of its bag. Martha Stewart, not Martha Stewart, either Martha Lincoln or I forgot. Betsy Ross pincushion. Okay, Betsy Ross. This is Betsy Ross, an American flag. And it came from California. It was never opened up. It was in my grandmother's hut. And you can see beautiful. Yeah, I'll show the back of her. Yeah, make an American flag. Now, on these sequin dolls, I'll have 3 of them. This is my first one that I made. Do a little fashion show here. These are beads with regular pin, fabric pins in it, and using the big beads and the head. Okay. The next doll is a little girl holding her the three little my beauties or something like that. I have fun putting this together. can't hardly see her face. The bunny is. The teddy bear. And I twirl her around. Here we go. The next one is the angel. Put her halo back. This is the angel. I had fun doing that. I got to find the nun. Yeah. I keep picturing it in my mind. I see the back of it. These are all pins and sequins. It has a little ribbon on it. And then the last one, I wish they have them back. I'd like to do more of them. They are fun. It doesn't take long to do them. That's why I like to do them. This one is a really pretty one. I turn her head. There. You can see pretty. She looks pretty in the picture, in the video, than she does. You can see pretty. Yeah. And roses on the bottom. I have some other dolls that I like to show you. Of course, I did not make them. Now, there are those right there. I have other dolls that I like to show you. It's the Barbie dolls. I used to make clothes for the Barbie dolls. And I like wedding dresses. I love wedding dresses. So I had fun. I did make a wedding dress, I think, for my doll. I don't remember. But I do have wedding dresses for Barbie doll. I might show you my doll collection in a future video. And yes, I don't know if they still have them or not. I like these. I display them in my cabinet behind me. I have miniatures I can show you in the future video. Now I remember way back, my grandmother, she sent me a tea set, a miniature tea set. And I like them. So every year for Christmas, I was just about, I received a miniature tea set, which I'm going to show you in the future videos. You can see pretty. Yeah. Got her teddy bear ready to go to bed to read a story. Then I like this angel. Oh, it keeps coming apart here. Come on. The head moves on them too. Maybe I can come closer so you can see. See her, Tom? Maybe back up a little bit. I see the back of her. And, well, yeah, this is an antique, you know. This came from California. This is, 1974 or 1970, somewhere along there. Let me think. My step-grandmother, she collected things, and she likes to sing. And, well, that's all of my dolls. I thought I had more than that. I do have two that is missing. I have a nurse doll, a nurse sequin doll, and I had a nun. And I don't know where they disappeared to. I don't know if they're up there or not. I, I don't know. I have to look around in my apartment just to find them. I don't know where they are. I got lots to show you in the future. I don't know if this is going to be my next and showing off the handcrafts and the dolls and stuff like that. But I love collecting bride dolls because I love wedding dresses. Wedding dresses. They're so beautiful. And I always dream of getting married in a beautiful wedding dress. Oh, I always dream, and I get excited when I get invited to go to a wedding, because I look forward to seeing their wedding dresses, and they're beautiful too. I have I don't know if I dare say, my niece wedding dress. She got it at David's and wedding gown store, and I'm looking right at her, and her dress is $1,000, and she got that dress on a discount. I don't dare show her in the video. I had my grandmother's. Back in the early days, they did not have white wedding dresses. They just had beautiful gowns that they wore. And my grandmother and my grandpa, I can show my mom and dad's wedding picture. I can show them. I will show them. I thought I can show the pictures, but I won't. I got up to go get my mom and dad's wedding picture, but, well, anyway, it's all about these dolls here. They were in the case back there, and I got lots to show you in the future video. So I don't know. I wonder which one is my favorite here. I think maybe, I don't know. I like them all. I like it when it has a cute little necklace around the neck of this doll here. And the angel, I don't know why the halo doesn't stay on her hair, but I think she's beautiful too. Well, anyway, I'll show you all of them before I close. I had fun making them. I hope I can find them online so I can continue to make them. And if I do, then I will show them to you if I do find them. Isn't she beautiful? They are made out of beads and sequins and fabric pens. The doll heads, they're all the same. They're all the same except this one here. This one is a different one. This one is has a different head. Well, this one looks pretty spooky. I'm looking at the one with the hat on it. Yeah. They're all about the same. Yeah. Well, not really. Well, anyway, I have fun showing them to you. There we go. Oh, I have fun with them. Okay, that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Subscribe down below. And give me 100 subscribers. And give me 100 views. And likes and what have you. I don't know what my niche is going to be. I haven't figured it out. I might be doing traps, maybe order traps, and maybe sell them or something. This video is not for kids. These are not toys. These are crafts. These are not toys. And you can't get them in the stores now. Unless they still continue to be making these dolls. I keep showing them to you. So I will see you the next time on Wood Education Vlog 43. This is Eva Elizabeth Wood saying so long. I'll see you the next time on YouTube and the World Wide Web.